Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If Google Chrome is blocking your web access with the ERR name not resolved error, it means your browser cannot translate the website's domain name into a valid IP address. I will show you exactly how to clear your internal DNS cache and update your network settings to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, Chrome maintains its own hidden DNS cache that often becomes corrupted independently of your Windows settings. Open Google Chrome, click your address bar at the top, type chrome://net-internals/#DNS exactly as shown and press Enter. Click the button labeled Clear Host Cache on this internal page, which will immediately delete Chrome's outdated routing data and then restart your browser. Next, if the website still will not resolve, we need to clear your operating system's local DNS records. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and explicitly select Run as Administrator. In the terminal window, type ipconfig//flush DNS and press Enter to clear the system cache. Immediately after, type netsh/Winsock/reset and hit Enter to reset your network adapters, then restart your computer. Finally, if the error persists, your internet service provider's default DNS server might be down or actively blocking the site. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter to instantly open your network connections. Right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, select Properties, and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred server and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate, and click OK to save. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.